summer.
Go. Hello YouTube, Break here, and welcome back to another video. So today
Me and Break are playing
Footscape. Yeah, so subscribe to
He thinks he's good at
subscribe to me and him.
subscribe to me and well, they don't even know my channel name.
It's called
They don't
vecrimial
even
vecrimial
Yeah,
plays.
it's
Subscribe to
called-
vecrimial plays.
Vestrimal. It's called Vestrimal Plays. Link. He has to put my channel link in the description.
Let's do easy mode. Oh,
No.
bye bye.
You know what? I'm just gonna stay here until someone leaves.
Oh yes.
Yay.
Yay. Oh yeah.
I'm in. Okay. This game's so easy. Like I can beat every single thing. Just kidding. I said that as I fall. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna die.
How do you get up here?
I'm
How
sorry.
do you even get up here? What?
we both died at the same time.
Oh my god, we died at the same time. That is so funny. Okay, please subscribe to my channel YouTube. Yeah, please subscribe. And
subscribe to me, I'm
I really
better.
I need
I'm
10. I'm
better.
when I have 10 subscribers, I'm gonna do a I'm gonna say thank you and stuff. I'm gonna make the video YouTube. And yeah.
So why you gotta? I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm talking
Subscribe.
about random stuff.
Subscribe to Bright Plays. That's me.
Subscribe to Vestrimal Plays on YouTube. Even though
What
this
the?
is YouTube.
How? Oh my god, I'm so bad at this game. What? How?
Yeah.
How? I got 6 wins.
Off camera, you said you're good at this game.
Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm not gonna use dash. Hello, what's up,
Right.
YouTube? Break here, and welcome back to another video. So, today we're gonna play Flood Escape with my friend Vecrimial Plays. He's there.
On YouTube.
What? So,
Right.
where are you, Vecrimial Plays?
I don't even know where you are. I'm at the thing. Okay, well, late intro for my channel.
Okay,
Well,
Vecrimial.
hello, Vestrimal Play. Hello, people that are watching Vestrimal Plays. This is not for people that are watching Bright Plays. Hello, people that are watching Vestrimal Plays. Welcome back to another video. Yeah. Okay. Bright, where are you?
I'm up. Where are you? Oh, did you die?
Where are you?
I'm in easy mode.
No. What are you even? Oh, no. Okay. I'll just do hard mode.
I need to get 12 wins for YouTube. I'm gonna, if I get 12 wins, drop a like, YouTube. And yeah.
And if I win hard mode, drop a dislike. Just kidding.
Just kidding, yeah.
Make sure to drop a dislike now. I failed. Just kidding.
Of course,
Okay.
just kidding. Of course, just kidding. Oh no, we're missing a button.
Okay, fine. Drop it. Okay, guys, drop a dislike on Bright Plays. Thank you.
No! Do not do that, YouTube. Do not. You're my friends, and do not. Yeah.
If you don't,
And subscribe to Theo for what you
YouTube is
see.
not the one.
Subscribe.
YouTube is not the one watching you. YouTube is not the one watching. Did you know YouTube is not the one watching you?
Oh yeah.
Fans are watching you. Do you think you're famous enough for YouTube to watch you?
No.
Why are these people just diving into the water? Oh my goodness! People are just
Yay!
diving
One
into
win.
the
I have 1
water.
win. I have 7 wins. I have 7 wins.
Nice.
And YouTube, tell your friends to subscribe to my channel.
Right, no joke. Everybody just dives into the water. Literally, I saw everybody die at once.
Yeah, YouTube, let's do this. Ooh, are you drinking up and go? You feel like you're drinking up and go. Hello.
Up and go?
I can hear you drinking up and go.
I'm drinking up and go right now. Wait, so you're drinking up and go right now, right?
Yeah. Oh my god! People are in my way. I hate people when they go in my way.
That's what always happens. Is that what happens to you? You Vegetable Plays and Bright Plays people that are watching, people that watch Bright Plays and Vegetable Plays and other things. Like if you play this game, which YouTuber do you like better, me or Bright Plays? Vegetable Plays has more subscribers.
No, but I'm more cooler. I'm more cooler. My channel is more cooler.
Does it really matter?
It does matter for my fans.
I have a better mic.
Come on, let's
People
go.
that are watching me. People, guys, whose mic is better, me or him? Bright Plays or mine? Comment
below.
Comment.
Comment below. Let's see who's
Please
winning
comment
there.
down below. Which mic is better?
How did you know my one? Wait, subscribe please to my channel, Vegetable Plays fans.
Do not subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel, Vegetable Plays fans.
Subscribe to my channel, Bright Plays fans. Because I am better. I am definitely better.
And
You
YouTube
have no
subscribe.
comments like mine.
And YouTube subscribe to the.
People want me to do. People. I have comments saying to do sub for sub, and he doesn't.
What's up?
I have comments telling me that people want me to subscribe to them, and they'll subscribe back, which is basically a sub for sub. Some people tell me to subscribe to them, and if you comment, please subscribe to me. I like the channel, and I'll definitely subscribe back. I will very likely subscribe back, and he won't. Hey, I'm having a seizure.
Oh my god, I died. Oh, YouTube, this is so bad, YouTube. I need 12 wins for YouTube. In the front flip, we're gonna do seizure. Oh my god, I'm in a seizure. Breakdancing, yeah. Okay.
I will definitely subscribe back if you comment. If you comment, I like your channel. Can you subscribe to me? I'll subscribe back. I've subscribed back to like 4 people. Who commented that?
Are you on the code, Abdullah? I mean,
Code.
no?
Someone comment down the code.
But are you?
Thank you guys. You guys are the best. I escaped time.
Are you in the code, no? Oh yeah.
And everybody helped me. They shouted the code at me. Thank you. They're shouting at my screen saying, press that one! Press that one! Thank you guys. You guys really helped me on the hard code.
That is daily 3756. Oh my god, this is totally Dennis Daily YouTube. That is totally Dennis Daily. Oh my god, Dennis Daily 3, 4, 6,
I'm a
7,
big
8.
fan.
I'm not even a fan Dennis Daly.
Obviously, you don't think that's him. Dennis Daly. Dennis Daly. Oh my goodness! Look, Dennis Daly is doing the thing with me, and he's doing scattered platforms with me. Oh man, he's totally real. Totally being real. I'm not being sarcastic or anything. He totally is real. I'm not being sarcastic or anything. I hate this one. I'm completely not being sarcastic here. He's so real, right?
He died already. I want a real Dennis Daly, not a fake one.
Oh shoot. I almost died. Well, I am gonna die. Oh, died. That's me dead.
I'm doing easy.
You have to sacrifice. Easy. You're going. Okay. You're going easy because you want to be easy.
No, because I want 12 wins.
Easy.
For YouTube.
And when you get your 12 wins, you won't be sorry guys. Oh, no. No! So I just proved right wrong. Oh, look at you! You're an easy too.
Oh my gosh.
You literally died on easy, right?
I was using dash.
Chances are you said no. Said no because you died on easy and I haven't even died on hard yet. Well, right now I haven't died. Okay guys, so the water is really rising. There's no way to survive instead of I do some kind of weird ninja move, which did not happen. And I got a friend request by Isabella Man Girl. Isabella Manny Girl.
She sent me a friend request too.
There's so many people doing hard mode. More than usual. As hard as the large. Hard is where all people get the glory and fame. People look like they're diving into the water for some reason. Oh well, rip. That's rip for them. Well, everybody literally died on the first go. All of those, a lot of people literally died on the first go. So. Okay.
I'm cutting the video. I cut the video.
Okay, so he cut the video and I didn't. I've recorded for 20
Yes, YouTube,
minutes.
we can do this. Second rule.
20 minutes is long enough, dude. 20 minutes is long. I'm gonna refresh this page.
Oh no! Oh dang it.
What the heck is going on?
So YouTube, that's all I'm gonna record. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Yeah, so if you like, subscribe, like, and comment below. And bye!